Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a promo code on the Gametime app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, browse or search for the event you want to buy tickets for. Next, select the tickets you want to purchase and then tap continue. This will bring you to the payment page where you can review your order. Once the payment page, look for the field that says promo code or enter code. Tap it and type in your promo code exactly as it appeared. After entering the code, tap apply. The app will automatically update your total if the promo code is valid. Make sure the discount shows up before completing your purchase. And that's it. You have successfully added a promo code on Gametime app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.